Good morning, YouTube, coming at you from Panama City Beach, Florida. So that's why you're seeing the beach instead of my beautiful face. And the angle that I'm at this morning is so I can be very close to our door. There is a tornado warning, and I'm pretty scared of tornado warnings, but I wanted to come out here and say with the company that I am working for, you can actually pick up your computer, take it anywhere in the world with you, and hook up. They really don't care where you're working from as long as you've got a hardwired internet. And with the Ethernet cord, you can do that pretty much anywhere. But you do have internet, so I will be working with this very beautiful scenery this morning. Hopefully it stays beautiful, and hopefully the tornado stays far, far away from where we are at. But that is the company that I was talking about, that if you send me your contact info being just the email and first name, you don't want to give me your last name, I totally understand. Teleperformance can reach out to you first by email, and then if you wish to move forward, they can contact you by telephone if you do wind up interviewing with them. They do have a great base rate. It ranges between, well, depending upon the client and project you're choosing, it can be anywhere $15 to $25 an hour, depending upon your experience, and that is actually not any exaggeration at all. So even that doesn't include their bonus amount that we will get for completed applications. I'm actually in the senior enrollment department for Medicare, and that begins October 15th, and then after that it runs through December 7th. Then we'll move to a different project, usually being the customer service lines. So that is what is going on with me. I was able to get day shift. The UV sitting the floor was actually able to secure the weekends off, and hopefully that will be an option presented to us as well, since my class was the first one to hit the floor, and they said that they were trying to get us weekends off. I do get one weekend day off, and then, sorry about the rails, but like I said, I am trying to stay close to the door, y'all, because that is kind of pretty massive out there, and I don't want my first tornado sighting in a long, long time to be at the beach. I'm probably about to retreat and go back in, but I just wanted to jump on here and let you guys know that yes, you can pick up your little CPU that they send out to you, and as long as you have that internet connection, they don't care where you're working from, as long as it's a hardwired internet connection. And then to make the top rate of pay, you may wind up needing insurance license. Sometimes you can move into the actual customer service department without having one, and then from that point, you can let Teleperformance help to get you licensed if you wish to become licensed. I do know they do have several, if not hundreds of companies that they actually hire for. You can choose one of the cell phone companies. I did see that they were hiring for. They hire for the auto and homeowner departments for insurance companies as well. We're getting rolling thunder here, so I am about to stop this video here in just a minute, guys, and go ahead and get on inside. I know my YouTube video posting has not been consistent lately. Sorry about that. Between work and trying to get my sales pages up and going, and yes, I am creating sales pages now, so woohoo. That's been very exciting for me to learn how to do that at home, and I will go into more details on that, but I will leave whatever I do